Today we are going to talk about on how to use behavior science principles in subject lines. Using these principles in subject line can significantly increase your open rate. So if you have not seen the previous two videos, the first one that talk about basics of behavior science principles with example, and the second one that talks about how you can use behavior science principles on an app, then you need to go and check it out. And today we are going to talk specifically about how to use these principles when it comes to subject lines. The first one is, of course, scarcity. Now you might already be using this principle without even knowing it. Have you been saying things like last chance to save, 24-hour flash sale ends tonight? Then it's a behavior science principle. Basically, using a limited time offer to create a sense of urgency in your subject line will give you that delta, that increased open rate that you have been looking for. Social proof. Have you used something like join 1,000 of other fitness enthusiasts, or subject lines that highlight a positive experience of others to build trust and credibility? Then that's social proof. And you would see that when you use social proof by saying 2 million customers trust us, join our family of 10 lakh customers, and so on and so forth, you will see an uplift in your subject line open rates vis-a-vis others. Reciprocity. Now this one, as the name suggests, it talks about how people believe in giving back. Exclusive gift just for you, or our way of saying thanks to you. So this principle basically talks about offer something valuable upfront to your customer and they are more likely to do business with you. Authority. Expert insights by top 10 marketing strategists of 2023. Now this suggests that you have to listen or open this email because you have some kind of expert insights inside, right? You can also say something like experts say this ... ellipsis, and people would want to open and hear out what the experts say. One caution that you need to keep in mind is when you are using these subject lines, do remember that you're not fooling the customer, because nobody likes to get cheated by a clickbaity headline in anticipation of expert advice. If you click through, you actually want to hear from experts. So do remember that you follow through what you are saying in the subject line. Fifth one is anchoring. Upgrade. What could be a subject line? Upgrade to our premium plan only for XYZ. Now, presenting a higher priced option first to anchor the pricing perception, and then showcasing inside that there are a couple of options which are cheaper than what you saw in the headline, can anchor that, okay, I can take the next best. Remember the Apple example? Cognitive ease, 5 easy steps to boost your productivity. How about this subject line? Not having any witty thought or complex question in the subject line, but a very 5 easy steps to boost your productivity. Now it could be 5 simple exercise that you should do on a daily basis. It could be 5 products that will make your life easy. These are some very simple subject lines that emphasize simplicity and ease in achieving a desired outcome in customer's life, and these kind of work like magic. Now, seventh one is loss aversion. We don't like losing out. Don't miss out. Grab your spot before it's gone. Book your movie tickets tonight before the seats are booked. Hurry up, only 2 left. These are subject lines using language and imagery to prime the reader's thought and emotion that something is only in limited number, really helps you get that lift in the open rates. Storytelling. How would you use storytelling in something as short as subject line? Well, there are smart ways to do it. You can say something like discover the inspiring journey of our customer, right? So tease a story that piques curiosity. Say something like and Linda said that, and ellipsis. So that kind of makes customer curious to know what story it is. So when crafting subject lines, it is essential that you consider your target audience, the context of your content, of course, Like I said, don't blindly just start creating subject lines using these behavior triggers. Of course, remember the context, what content are you covering, link it with that, and make beautiful, highly effective subject lines to drive your open rates. So that's all in this video. Do let me know if you have any queries around behavior science, and if you would like to know more about the topic, I would love to cover more.